Hey everybody, I just received my Amazon package and today I got the glass bottle cutter from the Home Pro Shop. So let's see what we got in here. On the front, the box, you could cut drinking glasses, pendant lights, flower vases, candle holders, and a lot of other stuff. So it looks like we got some cool little gloves here so we don't cut our hands, which are kind of sturdy actually. Got a little thank you card, and it looks like it says warranty. In order to activate your lifetime warranty, please ensure to register your product within 3 weeks of your purchase by going to our website. So you actually get a lifetime warranty on this, which is amazing. We got some wheels here. Figure out what they do when the time comes. Everything looks packaged real neat. This looks like a cutter. As you can see, looks up there, a cutter, and this screws off here. Oops, the bottom. Really cool. We got this board here, which looks like, I'm actually gonna pull it out. This is what's going to hold the glass and stuff while we cut. Let's put this over. So it looks like this will sit here. Yeah, this will sit here like this. And you can tighten it to adjust your glass, and this is the knife here to roll it and cut it. And it has the logo there, Home Pro Shop. We also got sandpaper, 120 sandpaper, and our instructions on how to use the bottle cutter. Really cool. So it shows you how to set up, which I put this on wrong. It goes the other way. It goes this way. And it looks like these screws we screw on this side over here. And then you also get video tutorials. Very cool. Excited to try this out, and I'll get back to you guys.